Ooh la la. My heart races whenever you are near. My heart races whenever you are near. Now, we saw this earlier about this energy of perhaps this person wants to straighten up themselves when you are near, okay? Fix themselves, maybe do a quick check in the mirror or a quick check on do a quick selfie. Okay, perhaps this could be something that you do as well when this person is near. Just want to making sure that everything is together, you know, putting your hair to one side, so just making sure you look nice and cute, okay? Now, going back to what they tell others about you, I feel like there's a message here of this person is telling others how they feel. But I feel like the message that's coming in also is the who they're telling is also telling them that they've noticed that every time they talk about you, their face lights up. They can see it in their body language. So I feel like this person may not be so expressive to when they are sharing. However, I feel like the others around them, like close loved ones, friends, are noticing every time when they are about to talk about you or say something about you, their body language gives it away. Now, this could be something that you've noticed as well. This could be something you've noticed as well about this person, that their composure, they're always trying to look the part, okay? Not in a kind of like an egotistical way, but it's just that it's that the idea of like someone who's special has walked into the room and they just want to just look together, look neat. And I feel like this is kind of the energy that you carry. Now, again, the energy of three is bringing this Empress energy. So this could be the energy that you are carrying right now, okay? The way you move, the way you groove, okay? It's bringing this Empress energy. Someone to be adorned, someone to be loved, someone to be cherished, someone to be respected. And I feel like this could be the energy that this person feels for you, and others around them are noticing it as well. I wish, look at this. I wish I could tell you how much I admire your strength and intelligence. So they are drawn to you, baby. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are drawn. They are truly attractive to you. Okay? I can't help but smile every time I think about you. So every time I think about you, I can't help but smile. So there's a strong energy here that every time they think about you, that's all they want to do. They can't help themselves. They can't help. Perhaps it could be like, I feel like their muscles, it's like they may have involuntary kind of like muscle reflexes where they can't stop the smile. Like even if they want to, like just and perhaps they might be even overthinking, thinking, I hope you're not, I hope Jane is not thinking, why am I smiling all the time? Okay, but I feel like it's just the energy. It's like an instinct or like a natural habit when they see you. Okay, they just it just lightens up their face. Okay, and again, that's the message. There's a clue. There's a massive clue here. Okay, intuitive male. Okay, the clue here is their body language. Their body language gives them away, and what they tell others is not so much what they tell others. It's what others see about them that gives them away. We communicate in many forms, verbal and non-verbal. Okay, the non-verbal is also part of that intuitive, you know, communication. The non-verbal is also part of our observing our body language. What is our eyes saying? What is our body saying? And this is what others are recognizing. This could be also be something you've recognized in this person, and you're looking for clarity here. Well, here's your clarity. Okay, here's your intuitive juicy gems. Okay, the body language is the giveaway. Okay, look at this here. Here's a message, their body language, okay? Can you feel, can you feel the electricity between us two? Here's a dead giveaway here. They're really trying to give you a clue, okay? So we're going to look into their higher self for some more additional clues, okay? Because I feel like the higher self, look into the higher self, look into the divine masculine, okay, and the messages they want to give to you as a divine feminine will really help us to just get some additional clues about this person, okay? So let's pull out the divine masculine and the higher self. So messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine to the DM to the DF deck, okay, and see what channeled thoughts want to come through from their higher self. Okay, so let's, woo, okay, look at that. We were just warming up the deck, baby. We're just warming up the deck. Okay, we're just warming up the deck. Okay, we're gonna bring in that energy of the song that came through, okay, because this person has a lot of feelings, okay, and it's a lot of non-verbal, a lot of body, okay, the way their body, okay, has this kind of habit of just wanting to smile, wanting to just embrace, you know, check, see where you are in the room, okay, there's this energy coming through, okay, so let's just bring that song through. Oh, I feel, yes I feel, yes I feel for you. Oh, I feel, oh, I feel. Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh, wee, yes. Come on, baby. Flow. Flow like a river. Flow like a river, baby. Woo, wee. Flow like a river. Flow like a river. Flow like a river. Okay. Speak to your love interest right now. Tell them what's on your mind. Tell them what's on your mind. Okay? Let your higher self flow. Flow like a river. Flow like a river. Okay. Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Ooh. We have all this intuitive gems coming through. Okay. So let's gather all these messages and see what's here for you. Okay. So this is a good time to get a little sip, okay, on your tea. So I've got some green tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Oh, I can see the late nights coming out. So you know what? We're gonna just pull out the late nights as well, because I feel it's like trying to slide in. Okay, so let's bring in one message from, okay, from the late night thoughts. Okay, what do they think? Okay, their late night thoughts, their subconscious. Oh, thank you. So we have 3 messages. Thank you. Ooh, their kisses are like a symphony of desire, leaving me wanting more. So this could be in their subconscious, their dreams. It could be their thoughts of you if this hasn't been done already. Okay. Ooh, we have, they have a way, they have this way of glancing at me that sends a rush of butterflies through my stomach. Oh my. So again, there's this energy of their body language, okay? The body language is a massive clue here about this person. We have, in their arms, I find a haven where vulnerability is embraced and celebrated. So this person wants to, the power free, grow with you. They want to feel that ease, feel comfortable to connect, say how they feel. Now, again, you are carrying this Empress energy, and this Empress energy is an energy of nurturing, loving, okay, blossoming energy, and they want this with you. They want to embrace that with you. So now let's look into the higher self and see what wants to come through. We have, I imagine a future with you. Look at this. I imagine a future with you, and it fills me. It fills me with hope and excitement. With hope and excitement. Okay, the message is coming through is wishing on a star. Now this came through in pile two. So pile one and pile two do have a lot of significant gems. Okay, I can't wait to see where our journey together takes us. See this energy of wanting things to expand. I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. Now, I feel like this person could also be telepathically connecting with you through their thoughts, okay? They could be channeling, like through their channeled thoughts, they could be channeling messages or sending you love messages your way, okay? Perhaps you could be noticing that you are, when you're doing most like monotonous, mundane things, okay? Just, things that we have to do through life, okay? Chores, cleaning, all those kind of like boring stuff, okay? This is when their thoughts of them come to mind, okay? Because they could also be doing those mundane things and all they think of is you, okay? Fitness enthusiast. Now, this could be where you know this person. It could also be perhaps you both have a mutual interest, okay? And looking good, feeling good, all of those things, okay? All of those things that we should all be working towards, okay? And making a routine of. However, I feel like this person may also want to look good when you're around, okay? And perhaps it could be vice versa. You both feel that way. We have here social and outgoing parties and gatherings. Now, I believe this came out for pile two, okay? So this could be a clue of where you know this person. So you may have had some may have been in some gatherings together, okay, whether it could be of mutual friends, it could be perhaps you've known this person from a particular meeting, or it could be something. I feel like there's something very significant, okay, perhaps something that you wore, okay, and I feel like this person, it kind of has strong memories of that particular night. Ooh la la. We have strong and capable hands. Okay, so there's a clue here. I feel like this, again, there's a lot of like physical features, body language really coming through here. Cooking, okay? So this person could be a foodie, okay? Enjoys their culinary skills. Could be something that you both had a conversation about, okay? It could be something that you both have a hobby or interest in, okay? Trying new things, exploring new things. Now, food is a great way to explore, it's a great way to try new things, and I feel like this could be like something that they're very passionate about, and it could be something that you're both passionate about, okay? We have I find solace, okay, in your arms. They feel like home. Now we saw a message, similar message, okay, in the late night thoughts, okay, in their subconscious, in their dreams. So this could be something that they really dream about. It could be something they daydream about. It could be perhaps moments when you've had hugs or embrace. Okay, it could be things that they yearn for. It could be things that they yearn to have that body language connection. Now, I feel like this person, it could be one of their love languages, okay, to have that physical connection, okay, physical touch, okay. We have expressive eyebrows. So again, the strong energy of the body communicating, okay? They're using their body to communicate how they truly feel. Now, I feel like this could also be a message from when they are telling others eyebrows are raising, and they might be the eyebrows could also be like a way of intuitively communicating and recognizing that, no, John, you really feel for Jane, don't you? We can tell. And it's that eyebrow raise, okay, where perhaps it could be even a side eye moment where they're like, yeah, I can tell you feel, I can tell. We have science and technology geek. Now, perhaps this person could be into tech, okay? Tech is something that is growing. You know, we have all these different tools, AI tools, all these different things, okay? And this could be something that they are into. It could be something that perhaps this again with science and tech, okay? Perhaps this person is very good in these particular skills and verbal communication. I'm getting the message that perhaps they could be more on the introverted side, okay? And are perhaps drawn to those kind of roles or jobs or occupations. We have distinctive tattoos, distinctive tattoos. So there's something very distinctive, okay? I appreciate the way you look at me like I'm the only one in the room when I have something to say. So I feel like this person is drawn to this energy. Now we again we said the earlier you carry the energy of the Empress, and the Empress energy is someone who's nurturing, loving. Okay, it's like letting someone in and saying, "Yes, okay." When I think of the Empress, okay, it's this energy of, come on, baby, you're all right, baby. Okay, I feel like it's someone who's just, come on, babe, you're fine, you'll be fine here. Someone who's nurturing, someone who's loving, okay, someone who, creates a safe space. And I feel like they feel safe with you, okay? I can't help, look at this. I can't help but feel a sense of protectiveness towards you. I feel like the energy that you carry, it makes them want to feel safe, but also it makes them want to give that same energy in return. And we did see strong, capable hands, and I feel like that could be the energy of perhaps if you're around, this person may want to carry your bags, help you in any kind of physical way where perhaps like physical strength is needed, and wanting to kind of be that gentleman for you, okay? We have intellectual and stimulating conversations. So perhaps you both are passionate about hobbies and interests, current affairs, okay? And I feel like this person really enjoys listening to what you have to say, listening to your opinion and listening to your views, okay? And I feel like the conversations that you may have, okay, or you both shared, it also allows that opportunity to challenge one another's thoughts, okay? And I feel like it's like this person may go, oh, wow, I never thought of it this way. Okay, again, that energy of the free, because the energy of the free is to expand, to grow. So you are bringing this energy of making this person think, making this person challenge themselves, okay, to think outside of the box, to just broaden their horizon when it comes to their perspectives in life. Ooh, wee. Your smile brightens up my day. So your smile brightens my day, okay? And this is the energy of seeing, those pearly whites, but you're bringing this sun energy about you, okay? This sun energy is here and it's here to stay. I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. Now, this energy has kind of shown up in all of the reads, pile 1, pile 2, and now pile 3. This is because we see this energy of how they feel when they think about you, and we're looking into their higher self, and the higher self is also revealing this kind of feeling of worry, and it could be this feeling of worry of if they say how they truly feel, will that impact the relationship, will that impact the union that you both have, will you see them differently, okay? Perhaps have you already noticed those, they may have feelings, okay, through their body language, okay? But if they now say it verbally, okay, and perhaps if they don't, I feel like this person is also worried about bucking on their words, okay, or getting caught in their words if they don't say things in the right way, or perhaps when they do communicate how they feel, it doesn't come out in a clear manner that it may create some kind of knots. Okay, I feel like there's a worry of not in creating communicating in a way that's not clear, that's not clearly clarified for you to understand, that it might make them feel that they've kind of messed things up. Now, I feel like this person's strong energy in communication is non-verbal, okay, and perhaps they could be met more on the introverted side, okay. We have dazzling smile. Again, that energy is coming through. Smile, the way you smile, the way you look, the way you make them feel, okay? A mesmerizing voice. So there's something about your voice that's very attractive, very appealing. I feel like it's also very calming, okay? And it's also making me want to, you know, make my voice very calming at this moment. But I feel like this is, again, it's the energy of the Empress coming through, okay? Because we are channeling that Empress energy, and that Empress energy is when it's upright, think of the tarot card, the energy of the Empress. The energy of the Empress is someone who is calm. Everything around her is calm. Everything around her is blossoming. Think of the message that's coming through. Think of a teacher's classroom, okay? And the teacher is the Empress, and the head teacher comes in. Let's say the head teacher, okay? The head teacher comes into the classroom to see the Empress, okay? Miss Empress in her classroom. And everyone is getting on with their work. Everyone is peaceful. There's like peaceful music playing, okay? All of the children are just having a fun, enjoyable time. They're all engaged with what they're doing, okay? And the Empress just says, yeah, everything's fine. I've got this, okay? It's all sorted, okay? And it could be that you are a supply teacher for that day or a supply teacher for the week, but you come in, and you just get things running smoothly, and the head teacher's like just leaves and gives the thumbs up and just walks away, knowing that the children are in safe hands. It's a very calming and nurturing and loving environment, and there's a strong energy about this is how you make this person feel. This is how you make this person feel when they're around you. Like they don't have to worry about, they don't have to worry about their feelings when they're around you. Okay, like they genuinely feel good. Okay, they genuinely feel good when they're around you. But I feel like there is just that worry that they have, that if they do say how they feel, and if it's not mutual, can that mess things up? Okay, now I feel like this person is also not great with words. Okay, when it comes to matters of the heart, I feel like they're much better communicating how they feel, okay, through their body language. So I feel like the clues are recognizing their body language. Do they kind of always maybe awkwardly try to come close to you? Not perhaps this person is also, I feel like this, it could be a bit of self-awareness in terms of, or it could also, perhaps this person could be, introverted, but also could have some kind of, there's a message of like ADHD, or I feel like this person perhaps have some kind of like, just may not, just lack some kind of self-awareness in terms of their body language. But I feel like it's just not, they don't mean anything by it. I feel like it's just the way they feel. It's just they just want to be near, okay? And I feel like they just enjoy your company, as well as your voice and how calming you are, okay? And how you make them feel. Look at this. We have, I value your opinions and your insights more than you realize. Now, again, take the messages that resonate, because this could be anyone, a crush, a current love interest, it could be someone from your recent past, okay? But there's a strong energy here that someone really value your opinions and what you have to say, okay? We have Look at this coming through, divine masculine to divine feminine, the DM to the DF. So let's see what the DM has for the DF today. Our separation really helped me to see that you deserve so much more. So this is a strong energy of someone from your recent past coming through, okay? And I feel like this person could be recognizing, taking in, all that time to now reflect and realize that they had some growing to do. Again, it has fallen on pile three. Pile three represents that energy of growth. This person needed to, get on their grown energy, okay? We're now dealing with grown people stuff, okay? They needed to get into that energy, and sometimes being in the circle, it can be it you can, if you're not in that energy of reflection and growth, you can it's hard to see where the growth is needed. Whereas when you're outside of that circle, okay, you can see more because you're not dealing with it. There's this way of where people say when you're out of something, you can see everything for what it is. This is what this person had to learn. Okay, this is what they had to learn. We have bookworm and avid reader. So again, I feel like this could be a strong introvert energy here. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Now I believe this came through in pile two as well. This energy of like boring moments, you can make a way of making them feel, or they telepathically think about you, okay? And you could be feeling their energy. You bring out a side of me that I didn't know existed. So again, this energy of feeling safe, an energy of feeling inspired, an energy of feeling that wow, you challenge me and you make me want to grow, you make me want to learn more. You have a way of making me feel, look at this. It has come through. You have a way of making me feel safe and understood. So this is how you make them feel. You make them feel safe and understood. Your touch ignites a fire within me that I can't ignore. Okay? Your touch. And it could be something really gentle, but I feel like it's just enough to ignite. Ooh la la. Okay, we have another message from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, I want this love to work just like you do. So I feel like this person really hopes that you both feel the same and want it to grow. They want it to grow into something meaningful. They want it to grow into something beautiful. Okay, so let's have a look at the Jamaican Proverbs. Let's see what the Jamaican Proverbs want you to know right now. Okay, so what do they tell others about you? Can we have a message, please? We have, thank you. If you can't get turkey, you have to satisfy with the John Crow. Okay, so if you can't get the turkey, you have to be satisfied with a crow. Okay, so in the Jamaican style, if you can't get the turkey, you have to satisfy with the John Crow. Okay, if you can't get the turkey, you have to satisfy with the John Crow. Okay, now this is about in relation to this scenario, okay, and what's going on here, and what do they tell others about you, and also how they feel, their intentions. I feel like there's a strong energy as well of this person enjoys your presence, enjoys being around you. But if it means that they have to just be satisfied with it just being platonic, okay, I feel like they'll be happy with that. Okay, if it's something, perhaps if it's like it's not, the feelings are not mutual for it to expand more, but there's what I'm getting is they want it to expand more, but if it's not, if it's something that you're not feeling, they're okay with that. Okay, but they do want more. Okay, we ain't gonna lie here, we know, we can see they want more. but they're going to be satisfied with what they have, okay? Because I feel like what the core message is that they enjoy your presence so much that they see you as an asset, okay? They see you as an asset. They see you as a quality asset, okay? Sometimes we don't always get what we want. So we must be thankful for what we have, okay? So abundance and love or abundance can come to you. So I feel like this is the energy of what this person sees you as, okay? You as a quality asset. You are still an abundance of joy, okay? Even if it's not a romantic, although they will hope for it to be romantic, they will hope for it to grow into something beautiful, okay?